Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today on Mama Bui's menu, we are making BLT Waffle Sliders. These are so delicious, guys. So let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. Let's jump right into the ingredients. You will need all-purpose flour, yellow cornmeal, baking powder, milk, mild cheddar cheese, sugar, salt, egg whites, egg yolks, melted butter, bacon, leafy lettuce, mayonnaise, and tomatoes. So let's get started. Line the baking sheet with parchment paper. Place bacon slices in a single layer. Make sure not to overlap slices. Cook at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 to 17 minutes. Now we're gonna move and work on our waffles. In a medium bowl, add flour along with cornmeal. We're gonna toss in salt, add sugar, baking powder, mix well and set it aside. Now we're gonna move on to work on our wet ingredients. Combine milk with egg yolks. Add melted butter and stir well. Stir into dry ingredients. Mix until the batter is smooth. Then stir in mild cheddar cheese. Now we're gonna move on to work on our egg whites. In a separate bowl, beat egg whites until stiff but not dry. Fold into the batter. Just like so, guys. Have your waffle maker preheated. Lightly coat with the baking spray and drop 3/4 cup of batter into the center. Allow the waffles to bake until golden brown. Now it's time to assemble our sliders. Cut the waffle in fours. Then spread mayonnaise over half of the waffle. Top with bacon, tomatoes, lettuce, and remaining waffle. The best part is you can make this fancy or as simple as you want. There are no rules, guys. You can assemble them the way you like. This smaller version of classic BLT recipe layered with creamy mayonnaise, juicy tomato, fresh lettuce, crunchy thick bacon is utterly delicious. If you are enjoyed this video so far, please give it a thumbs up. BLT waffle sliders are a classic lunch or dinner recipe for any occasion. They are so flavorful and great for parties. One thing that I forgot to mention, always cook your bacon in the oven. It does not curl, and also it cooks evenly. There you have it, guys. BLT Waffle Sliders. I hope you'll try this recipe, and if you do, please leave a comment down below in the comment section. If you are new to Mama B's Kitchen, welcome. Please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my heart.